are welcome. All right, so today we are looking at the ow sound and its alternative. You know that the OU makes the ow sound. So today we are looking at OW also making the ow sound. Don't forget we treated the OW also as making the O sound. So the letter OW can either be ow or O. For example, words like okay. Now, this is OW and OW, right? So letter O and letter W here makes the ow sound. Letter O and W makes the O sound. Now let's try L, O, low, S, O, snow, G, O, grow, ow, now, ow, cow. Okay, so I want you to know that when you see the letter OW, it can either make the sound O or the sound ow. So you look at the word, when you pronounce that word, you know which one it's making. Maybe it's the O sound or the ow sound. Alright, now let's quickly run through what I have on my board. Out, 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 ow, found, ow, ground, ow, now, ow, cow, ow, brown. So today we've seen the letter sound ow and its alternative letter sound. All right, I want you to watch this video again and blend along with me. Thank you. Do have a beautiful day. Bye.